Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Chris's Corner presented to you by Neishloss Fleming. Last time we were discussing how to have a successful AEP between time management and also even AEP planning. So today, what we want to discuss is how to have a successful appointment. So the appointment process, as we know, is the lifeline of every agent. When we finally get the chance to get in front of a prospect, we want to convert them into our clients. So here are some tips and some questions to be asking prior to the appointment so you can show up to the appointment ready. A, ask the client what kind of coverage they are currently thinking about. What doctors are they currently seeing? What hospital systems do they typically prefer? What drugs are they taking? What pharmacy do they get their drugs from? What is the budget? Maybe even ask them what their current health situation is like. Having the answers to these questions will really help your appointment go much smoother and, quite frankly, save you a lot of time because you're not wasting time presenting plans that flat out just won't work for the client. These questions can also help determine whether or not your client is going to be better suited with an MAPD or a Medicare Supplement. Using these steps will help you not only be more efficient, but have a higher closing rate, and most importantly, prevent you from losing any opportunity for a sale just for being underprepared. And that is all we have for you today on Chris's Corner. If you have any questions at all, do not forget to give us a call. Lastly, do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time on Chris's Corner.